Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 7. So I'm posting this little video in the discussion board because I want to give you a few prompts to help you as you start out this week's discussion. So we're talking about PowerPoint this week, and we're going to be focusing on the course outcome of putting together some workplace-related documents for a presentation. So that's, if you look at your system syllabus, you see the list of institutional outcomes, and that's the one that we're going to be focusing on primarily, our course outcomes, I should say, primarily this week. And so that's really what PowerPoint does, is it allows you to put together files that are specific for presentations. Many of you have used it before. Some of you, maybe this is your first time. And so that gives you a little bit of some background there. So when you're doing that, though, and you're starting to work through PowerPoint, you're starting to learn about it, and you start to get into the discussion boards, right, and start talking about this, think about the prompts that are there, but those don't have to be the only prompts. Those don't have to be the only things you're going to be talking about in the discussion board. Think about other things too. If you've used PowerPoint before, tell me a little bit about what's worked and what hasn't. What makes for a good presentation and what makes for a bad presentation? Or think about, how are you going to use this on the job? And you think, well, gosh, I'm not going to be using this. I don't do presentations in my job. You might be surprised. Is there ever a chance that you might do that? And is PowerPoint only about giving presentations to groups of people? Or can you use PowerPoint in other ways? Can you somehow use it to present data in a way that you just wouldn't be able to do in Excel or in Word or something like that? So those are a couple of added essential questions that you can use as you get into this week's discussion board and as you start to go through the lecture notes and the assignments for this week. Start thinking about that kind of stuff. What makes for a good presentation? What makes for a bad one? What are the things you remember from the best ones you've seen before or the worst ones you've seen before? And think also about that. This is all focused on that course outcome of making workplace specific documents, specifically ones related to presentations. So I'm looking forward to seeing what y'all have this week, what you can put together in these discussion boards. You can comment on this post if you'd like, or as always, you can, I'm looking forward to seeing what you put in your own initial posts as well. So make sure you try to get that up by Wednesday, and then give yourself enough time to comment on your classmates' posts as well. Thanks, folks.